What's going on, guys? So it's been a little while since I made a video. I know I'm uploading very inconsistently, but I have life things I gotta take care of, a job I have to put first so I can financially support myself and be able to afford taking a day or two off to edit videos like I am with this one. But today's video is, now that the oil catch can from ECS tuning has been installed for over 6 months on the Audi, I would like to go ahead and update you guys on how it's going, mainly because the winter months are coming around, and I ran into a situation that I should update you guys about. So let's go ahead and jump right into the video. So maybe a couple weeks ago, I took a 2 or 3 hour road trip in the Audi, had the oil catch can installed, emptied it out before we left. And once I got there, because it was about maybe a 250 mile drive, all right, that's great. But everything ran smoothly on the way there, but on the way back I had a problem. Now the only problem I had was the oil level light came on, so I was running low on oil, and when I checked it, I was almost completely empty on oil. And I'm so thankful that I didn't seize up the engine, it didn't overheat or anything. I had one of my mechanics check it out, and he said, dude, everything looks good, I wouldn't worry about anything, just make sure you always have a quart or two of oil with you just in case this happens again. Now when I stopped at a gas station to fill or to grab more oil to top it off, I ended up having to do 5W30. And some of you may know that 2.0T in the A4 or any Audi or Volkswagen vehicle, usually they recommend doing 5W40. But you can use 5W30, but me personally, I would prefer to use 5W40 and not have mixed oil together. So what I did was, when I got back home, I changed the oil. But let me backtrack because I'm getting ahead of myself. When I topped off the oil, I checked the oil catch can because the oil was looking a little milky on the dipstick, which is unusual. And the only way that happens is when there's water or moisture getting inside the engine. So I was like, okay, well, let me check the oil catch can, because that's what it's supposed to filter out. It's supposed to filter out excess moisture, gunk, and like I said in the previous review video of the oil catch can, it's supposed to filter all that out. So I checked the dipstick on the oil catch can, and it didn't seem like there was much in it. So I gone ahead, unscrewed the can itself, checked it out, and it was full, and it was mainly water. So all the oil that I lost went back to the oil catch can and leaked out through the drain plug, because it thinned out so much from the water that was being sucked back in through the oil catch can. So what I recommend you guys, if you have the ECS tuning oil catch can, is every once in a while, maybe once a week, twice every 2 weeks, or when you fill up your gas tank, check the oil catch can, make sure it's not full, just to prevent your engine from having major mechanical issues and to prevent moisture getting back into your oil and having the issue I had. So that's all for this video, guys. Thought I'd just go ahead and give you a quick update about that, update you guys about the A4, how it's running, and I'll see you guys in my next video.